Let's go.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you have not been here before, my name is MUVMarttekah. Why is my hand going like this? I'm not too sure, but it doesn't matter. And today I'll be doing a YouTube tutorial on these eyebrows. So why would you need to do something like this? I don't know, maybe because it's June 1st and it's Pride Month, and because we need a little bit of rainbow in our life sometimes. So if you want to see how I created this look, stay tuned. So I've already done my face. I've already put on my foundation and I put on my Sasha Buttercup, and yeah, so I prepped my face already, and I'll list down below the products that I used on my face prior to doing my eyebrows. For this look, I decided to go to my local beauty supply store and buy these starry-eyed shimmer liquid eyeliners from the company Absolute New York. So I got them in all these colors. So you have purple, blue, yellow, pink instead of red, and green. So I'm gonna see whether or not I'll be able to kind of make a little bit of an orange, but if I can't make it, then that's fine. I just kind of want to do a rainbow eyebrow to celebrate the beginning of June and to celebrate Pride Month. All right, so let's get started. So to start, I'm gonna start with yellow first. And again, keep in mind this is an eyeliner, and this bad boy, once you put it on, it kind of sticks. So I'm just gonna assume I have to work pretty quickly. But again, we're doing eyebrows, so we should be a little proficient in this. As a backup, if I can't use anything in the crown palette, I also have the full spectrum palette from Urban Decay. And I can see already that I'm not getting the effect that I really want. So I'm just gonna go in to the Urban Decay palette and first start with the color Calavera. Assuming that's what it's called. Let me see how I use my little Spanish accent there. And I'll use some primer water on the tip of my brush. This is the Brow Gals brush. And then I'll put it in to the Calavera, and then let's see how that turns out. So that is the yellow, and again, we're just trying this out. Next, I'm gonna do the pink color, which we're gonna use like red, and this one's called Supernova. The other one was called Solar, and you've seen me use this on my channel before. Kind of want to go in with a powder first, just because I'm a little nervous about it not shining through. But let's give it a whirl. Let's give it a whirl first and see how it looks. I'm just gonna go in with Gossip from the Full Spectrum palette. And now what I'm doing is putting it like right on top of the yellow, so it gets a little orange. Not sure if you can really see it on camera. I see it in person, but you may not still be able to see it in the camera. But if you look right here, this is where you see the orange. It's coming through somewhat. Now, I know this probably would be easier with a different type of product, but we're using something that's affordable, and even these were kind of like, girl, this is $5, okay? So $5 times the rainbow is a lot for some eyebrows, okay? So we want to do the budget kind. You know, everything on this channel is about a somewhat budget. Whatever we can do in terms of a budget. I'm just going back and forth between the Full Spectrum palette and the Starry Eyed eyeliner, just to give it a little bit more dimension. And it looks really crazy right now because obviously, y'all, if there's anything that's always going to happen on this channel, is you're going to hear something like that. And summer's coming, y'all, so you know that we're going to hear some reggaeton, we're going to hear some reggae, some salsa, some merengue. I'm telling you, okay? So just be ready. Be ready. So I'm satisfied with this so far. And now at the end, and I'm just going to wipe this off because obviously we're using a lot of colors. So I'll probably just use like a wet one to just wipe it off and to stay sanitary. Okay, and then for the end, I'm going to use the purple. So, and again, I'll probably just go into the palette first. Okay, so the deepest color in the palette, in my opinion, is Sketch. Right here. This color. Oh, let's just see right here. This color right here. Sketch. So I'm going to go into Sketch. I'll use that to complete. Right. And then I'll go in with this and see what that looks like. And this is the purple. The purple is called Milky Way. This is galactical up in here. We got solar. We got Milky Way. Well, I mean, it is called starry. Dude, Marta. So, all right. And then to kind of blend it out, I'll use the spoolie between the pink. Yeah, it's like going with this. It's just a matter of going back and forth, back and forth. Okay, so this is the first side, and now on the other side I'm gonna use the green and the blue along with the yellow. So I'll start with the yellow, and the yellow was Calavera. And then even with the starry eye, like, I'm not really just swiping it. If I try to swipe it, it's not working. So I'm just like packing it on. We're serious. We're like, we want to get this brawl done. We're going to have to get it done. So now we move on to the green. Now, for the green, I'm going to use the color Hatter. It's not Hater. So, and again, I'm just going to pat that in. And then I'll take the color Starlight and go on top and see what that's like. Then I'm gonna incorporate the blue color, and for that one I'm gonna use the color Blindsided, which is right here. Then the blue color is called Neptune. So it's all over the place now, but we are going to clean it all up. To clean this up, I'm gonna use the NARS Radiant Concealer in the color Ginger, I believe. Yes, it's in the color Ginger. I finished cleaning up my eyebrows. I'm gonna finish off the rest of the look off camera, and then I'll be back. And basically this is it. So this is gonna be it. So I'm just gonna finish off the look. I'm not gonna do anything major. I'm most likely gonna do something nice and subtle so that we can really showcase. I got this inspiration from Nikki Tutorial. She did a rainbow eyebrow, and she trended here in New York City on this show called Here Right Now or something to that effect. I don't know. But I remember she trended, and I was like, well, isn't that something? So I said, well, let me do one too. But of course, I wanted to do the affordable makeup one because that's basically how I try to run this channel. I try to do the more affordable version. But I wasn't too sure about how it was going to come out, especially once I realized that the liner wasn't coming out as bright as I needed it to. But once I realized I had the full spectrum palette, it kind of all tied in together. So I'm just going to finish off the look off camera, and I'm just going to be right back. Okay, guys, so this is the finished look, and that's really it. I don't really have much for you guys. So this is June. It's Pride Month. Today is June 1st, so it was Orange Day, and it's basically awareness for gun violence. Then it was Donut Day. It was just a lot happening today. And yeah, there's a few things coming up this month. I am trying to do like 30 days of makeup initiative. I'm like super afraid to actually put it out in the atmosphere, like, or on Instagram, or to do a challenge for myself, because it is difficult for me to get to sit down to do makeup sometimes. So I don't want to kind of put it out there and then to be disappointed if I can't do it. But my goal is to at least be able to put two videos up per week, or at least I was up to one, so I'm thinking 2, or definitely at least posting once to or 2-3 times a day. So definitely more things coming from me. I am going to try to do more reviews. And again, if you guys have any suggestions to what you want to watch, please let me know. Just comment below, or go to my Instagram and comment on any of my Instagram photos. I'm going to be hashtagging a whole bunch of stuff because I am trying to get a few more followers, and you know, I'm trying to make this work for me. I mean, I'm just saying. If you want to be alerted as to when I put up one of these videos, you know, just click the notification button up here. And if you found anything of value in this video, please make sure to subscribe and like. And lastly, I cannot leave you guys without saying, de-stress and be blessed, girl. Bye. And last and not least, last but oh, I didn't even do my hair. Fuck it, I don't care. Fuck it, I don't care. I didn't do my hair. Fuck it, I don't care. I didn't do my hair. Okay, I'll do a little boo doo doo boo 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 doo boo 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 boo.